Hari Om, dear ones. I am Vijay and this is my wife Sri Devi. We are from Bangalore. We have been following this month and Kundalini involuntary Kriya Yoga for the past 7 8 months, and we could see a lot of changes in our life, especially in mind, body, and intellect, and the situations that are arising, and how to handle situations in a more better way by taking blessings from our Guru, that is our Sri Guru, who has created the Hombism lessons. The lessons carries so much of divine energies and that get transformed within us so that we become more kind towards other beings by following the laws of nature and sacrificing and showing kindness towards others. So this is a very good path that has been given by the divine and through our Guru Sri Guru. So we are very happy to follow this Manthan Kriya Yoga path.
Hari Om. Our Sri Guru's helping orphans financially and spiritually is a very good cause. So we all need to give our helping hand to him so that he takes this mission very successful. And we are really blessed to be under him, under his guidance. So we are very happy. Hari Om.
Thank you, dear friends.
Thank
Hari Om.
you.
Namaste. I am Ritu from Bangalore. I have been following Manthan Kundalini Yoga for a few months. I want to talk about actual transformation in few words. Praying for others, doing puja and other rituals for the welfare of others does not technically help. Such mind is definitely a good mind, but then that good mind does not have energies unless it goes through the yogic practices of self sacrifice and discipline. Many great religious people in all religions in the world conducted several religious rituals in the world ever since Corona came. But did that change anything in the world? Nothing. Technically, in our consciousness, unless sattva, rajo, and tama gunas, these ingredients get balanced, such actions do not help the humanity or the nature. If the balancing happens of these gunas, then you don't have to pray for others continuously. Automatically, the balancing starts happening in the human consciousness. It's simple. Imagine some drain water. You start converting that drain water to good water without adding any new water. Meaning the conversion of drain water from bad to good happens automatically from within ourselves. Such biological transformation alone helps the humanity. Manthan Kriya Yoga lessons will bring such faster transformation in people spiritually and also in physical life, and it leads to prosperity.
Hari Om, my name is Jessie Govender from Johannesburg, South Africa. I met Sri Guru about 4 years ago. Ever since I met Sri Guru, there's been transformation in my life. I am more happier, loving, and at peace. Sri Guru is always working in the background to transform. With the help of Sri Guru, I've now started my own business. Several people in all religions talk about prayers, rituals, and various other things to bring some change in the world. But technically, they don't help the world. They help a little to overcome small issues or individual issues. But overcoming issues in nature or the issues of humanity as such could only happen by bringing the transformation in human consciousness. It's very simple. People do all prayers, rituals, and all external things. But people are not willing to change and transform by leaving their attachments, negativity, personal, and constrained lives. So technically, all those are very timid and weak. So you think the nature will listen to the voices of such timid and weak people? No matter what religion they belong to, Ultimately, everything drills down to one's own change, expansion, moving towards the personal self, to the universal self. Then such people, just by thought, can bring change in the world. They don't have to do prayers or ritual and all those. Sri Guru, whom I call Swami, his mission or aim is quite extraordinary, which no other gurus talked about so far. Orphan children transforming would definitely bring a swift in nature to protect the world from all these natural disasters, pandemics, and all those. It's definitely a supreme cause, the cause of all causes. Hari Om.
Hari Om, dear ones. I want to talk about the natural phenomenon of churning in five elements, which is very, very, very closer to the churning, the phenomenon of churning, or the manthan of churning that happens within you in the path of Manthan Kriya Yoga. The natural phenomena such as the whirlwinds, probably tornadoes and all, how they happen. They happen to balance the air, and you have whirlpools that happen in the water, probably that happens in rivers, oceans and all. Those whirlpools, basically they suck so many things around them, and then they twist them and then throw them out. And then you will also find such kind of whirls in the fire. When the whirls happen in the fire, forests and all catch up fire, especially in the US and all, you find forests getting burnt. Naturally they get burnt. How they catch up fire, we do not know. So this phenomenon of whirls in the fire expand the fire to so many places to cause the destruction. In the same way, you find in this space, you find black holes. Black holes have the capacity to even suck the planets. Some planets could even disappear, which did not happen so far, but can happen. They have such energies within. And in the earth you have volcanoes, and volcanoes have the walls of fire in the womb of earth, and basically within the womb of earth they swap so many things, and then when they cross the limitations they erupt. So these are all the natural phenomena of churning that happen naturally in the nature, especially in five elements. I am bringing this phenomenon forward to you to say that the same phenomenon happens with churning, the manthan. When it happens with you in your mind, intellect, all the churning happens within the consciousness, and then you will start transforming. This kind of whirls and twists and all happen in nature to bring the balance much faster. You see, when there is an imbalance in the water, these whirlpools occur, and when the whirlpools occur big time, they can even create tsunamis. And the winds, you must have seen the movies like Twister, Into the Storm and all such kind of movies and all. If you watch, you will know they basically twist. They collect so many things, living beings and non-living things and all. They twist them and throw them out. And you see the kind of energies they generate. With those energies, if you can tap those energies, you can generate electricity that could last for years and years. You can generate energy for creation, not for destruction. So the energies that are generated out of this kind of natural churning are immense. Basically, you cannot measure that energy. And the same kind of thing happens when the churning in Manthan Yoga happens. With the help of Manthan Yoga, when the churning happens, if the churning happens for 15 minutes, that is equal to 1500 minutes of normal yoga or meditation, deep meditation. I'm talking about 1500 minutes of deep meditation is equal to 15 minutes of this Manthan Kundalini Kriya Yoga, which is equal to almost like 25 hours of meditation. So the transformation happens much faster. You can find the current way of churning happening in the nature is COVID. COVID is actually a natural phenomenon of churning, and it is sucking so many people's lives into it. And in about 1.5 years from now, some balance will happen in the whole human consciousness. And it is a natural phenomenon. This kind of churning doesn't happen all the time in the nature. Only when the nature goes out of the balance, then this kind of churning happens in the 5 elements. In case your Kundalini is invoked and it is an opportunity given to you to launch this churning for your faster evolution. So these things basically bring faster evolution in the nature. In the same way, the Manthan Kriya Yoga, when you follow the path, it will bring faster transformation. So if you imagine an ocean, and in the entire ocean probably you can find only some few whirlpools. Only few whirlpools. You don't find whirlpools all around the ocean. Across the ocean, few whirlpools you find which are spread across the ocean. In the same way, if you consider this ocean as human consciousness, Kundalini invoking is given an opportunity to launch this churning, all whirlpool basically, in the ocean of the entirety of the human consciousness, not just in your own consciousness. So whatever the churning that happens here, it brings transformation faster not only in you but also in the entirety of the ocean. And this churning is the only one that can bring faster transformation not only in you but also in the holistic human consciousness, just the way they are there. Practically you can identify when the oceans go out of the balance, tsunamis occur. All these things happen because of the churning that is caused naturally within them, and then they erupt. That is how the 5 elements function. And the same thing happens here also. So if you consider COVID as some kind of churning that has started in the human consciousness, this is COVID, let's say, and this is the churning that has started to balance the human consciousness. Now to balance this, if some more churnings are started, are initiated in the human consciousness, then they will obviously balance these problems. You can call it COVID kind of pandemics, or any kind of natural calamities can be balanced by initiating this kind of whirlpools in the ocean of human consciousness. And that whirlpool is nothing but Manthan, Kundalini Kriya Yoga. So Manthan Kundalini Kriya Yoga brings faster transformation not only in you but in the holistic human consciousness as well. So I wanted to present this concept to you so that you can understand what's happening with Manthan Kundalini Kriya Yoga, which is the reason why I'm explaining this. If the churning is initiated in orphans especially, not ordinary people who are going to the office, who have children, they have their own blockages to transform. They are not allowing the transformation to happen in them much faster. But if the churning is initiated, if the Manthan Kundalini Kriya Yoga is initiated in orphan children, they will be able to bring balance in COVID kind of calamities in the nature. That is what I am talking about. I am going to initiate several orphans into this, and they will balance the nature automatically without much talking or teachings and all. See, you cannot bring the transformation in all the people. All the people are so busy in their own negativities and they have their own weaknesses. Let's forget about them. We don't, even if we teach them big time yogas and all, they take thousands of lives to transform. So this is the best solution that can attack this kind of COVID kind of calamities and bring balance in the human consciousness. And that is how humans can sustain in future. So that's the solution I am talking about here with Manthan Kriya Yoga. Hari Om.